Let me show you how to take care of noises coming from the tumbler baffles. Disconnect your electric or gas dryer from the wall outlet. Remove the screws under the lint filter cover. Take a spatula and stick it between the top and front panels. Pry up to unhook the top panel holding clips. Lift the top panel and lean it against the wall. Open the dryer door and use the baffles to turn the tumbler clockwise until the baffle screws are on the top. Loosen the screws in each one of the baffles, but don't take the screws out. Turn the baffles clockwise and give them a good shake so the coins could fall off the baffles. Do it to all of them. Remove all the coins and any other objects from the tumbler. Screw the baffle holding screws in each one of the baffles and make sure they're nice and tight. Lower the top panel and push on it until the clips snap in place. Screw in the 2 screws under the lint filter cover. That was a way to remove coins from the tumbler baffles or adjust loose baffles that are making noises.